Here I've got MAXCOM Smart MS457 Strong, and let me show you how to enable safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds, and then click on shutdown icon until you see the notification about rebooting to safe mode. So as you can see, safe mode will disable all third-party applications you have installed, and they will be restored once you reboot again. So if you still want to reboot to safe mode, click on OK. And just give your device a couple of seconds. And here, as you can see, now you're in safe mode. Here is the notification, so you can use your device without previously installed apps. Then if you would like to go back to normal mode, simply tap on power key and click on reboot. Confirm that you would like to reboot and wait another couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the standard mode with all applications active. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.